Hi, in the previous video we have discussed the case 1 scenario for a red-black tree. In this video we are going to talk about the case 2. In this situation, as you can see that we have this node X we have inserted, it is a right child of a left child because this node X is the right child of the parent and the parent is the left child of the root node. As you can see in this situation, the uncle, which is this node, so the node X uncle is this node, it has the color black. In the case 1 situation, it had the color red. And in the case 1 situation, we just had to do a simple recoloring. In this case, it's not going to be fine. We have to make some rotations. Okay, so the uncle of node X is a black node, plus the node X is a right child. So this is the uncle. As you can see, it has the color black. And basically, we just have to make a left rotation on the node's X parent. So on this node, this is the node's X parent. Okay, so we have to make a left rotation on this node. So we have to rotate the blue node to the left. Okay, and basically we are going to end up with this situation. The X is going to be the left child of the root node after the rotation. We have to change these subtrees as well. The B, which has the left child of the node X, is going to be the right child of this node, which was the parent of X before the rotation. Okay, so basically it is a standard left rotation. It is the same as we have discussed for the AVL trees. So basically nothing special. And okay, we are end up with this situation. We have the node X after the rotation. It's going to be the parent of the parent basically. As you can see, the parent was this one before the rotation. And after the rotation, the parent is going to be the left child of the node X. Okay, so basically that's all about this problem. We just have to make a simple left rotation. But again, this problem is symmetric. In this case, it is basically the same, but instead of a right child of a left child, in this case, this node X is a left child of a right child. But every other feature of the subtree is the same. The node X is here, the parent of node X is a red node, the uncle of X is a black node, and the grandparent, which is the parent of parent, is a black node again. So we have to do approximately the same. Okay, we have the uncle as a black node, and basically we just have to make a simple right rotation on the blue node. So we just have to rotate node's X parent to the right. Okay, in the symmetric case, as you may recall, we just have to make a simple left rotation. Here, we just have to make a simple right rotation. Okay, so as you can see, we have this node X as a left child of a right child, and we just have to rotate the parent of node X to the right. And that's why we are going to end up with this situation. Okay. So it's very important that again for the case 2, we have two symmetric partners. The first partner is this one. We have this node X as a right child of a left child. The uncle is black. We just have to rotate the node's X parent to the left and we are going to end up with this situation. Okay, the symmetric partner is this one. The node X is a left child of a right child and the uncle is black again. So we have to make a rotation, but instead rotating to the left, we have to rotate the parent of node X to the right. And we are going to end up with this situation. Okay, so that's all about the case 2. Just to summarize again, for the case 1, we just have to recolor the nodes. And the uncle had the color red. In this situation, the uncle has the color black. So we have to make a left rotation or a right rotation accordingly. Thanks for watching.